Hello, everyone. I'm Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If A and B are natural numbers, that means A and B are positive integers. 6 times A times B equals 9 times A minus 10 times B plus 303. What is the value of A plus B? From this given equation, we can move 9 times A minus 10 times B to the left-hand side. Factoring the first two terms, we have 3A times 2B minus 3. Then both sides minus 15. We can factor 5 out from this part. Then we have 5 times 2b minus 3. We have 2b minus 3 here and 2b minus 3 here. We can factor it out. Then we have 3a plus 5 times 2b minus 3. What is the right-hand side? This is the prime factorization of the number 288. 288 equals 2 to the power 5 times 3 to the power 2. A is a positive integer. Therefore, 3a plus 5 is positive. The right-hand side of this equation is positive. The first factor is positive. Therefore, the factor 2b minus 3 must be positive. Three a is divisible by 3. 5 is not divisible by 3. Therefore, 3a plus 5 is not divisible by 3. That means 3a plus 5 has no 3 as a factor. (2b) is divisible by 2. Negative 3 is not divisible by 2. Therefore, 2b minus 3 is not divisible by 2. 2b minus 3 does not have 2 as a factor. Therefore, 3a plus 5 equals 2 to the power 5. 2b minus 3 equals 3 squared. We can see that 3a plus 5 has no 3 as a factor. 2b minus 3 has no 2 as a factor. Simplify this system. We have 3a plus 5 equals 32. 2b minus 3 equals 9. Continue to simplify. We have the final solutions for A and B. A equals 9, B equals 6. What is the question? A plus B equals 9 plus 6 equals 15. 15 is the answer for our question. That's all. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.